So they would still be able to pick. Okay. I understand it's deliberate. They can still pick and record the proceedings. It's a technical issue which they've attended to. So we'll proceed on that basis.
Last time, the witness was still being re-examined. The defense is now done with the examination.
Why did we postpone? Was it because...
Actually, there was a document that my colleague indicated he wanted to tender. That the document actually needs to its death certificate with respect.
No. Wait. He had indicated that he wanted to have his client to have sight of a document. That's number one. And he also wanted to complete re-examination. He still had more questions. So if you are not going to be producing the document, we don't need to describe it, isn't it? So what you are telling us is that you are through with re-examination, and there is no intention to refer to any document, and you have no further questions.
Well, with the consent, once the document becomes
available, I don't think that procedure is provided for. We really need to be sure how we are proceeding. You can only, without preempting what you intend to do, but we can only go back to your, if something crops up which you are not aware of now. That is the law, is it? But if there's something that you want to refer to now which you are aware of, you might as well exhaust it. We can't approach a matter where he steps down, the second accused person says, and now we go back to him, because he must close his case first. It will be called reopening. Yes, so I don't want to... Correct me if I'm wrong. Look, we all know this procedure. I could be mistaken. Yes.
We have not yet managed to get hold of that document, but it is our belief that within the next 3 to 5 days we'll be able to get the document.
Have you discussed this with your colleagues at the bar?
I was discussing with Ms. Makaos. He was also saying that should we happen to have the IP number, he can also assist.
Or he is aware of the document that you want to produce? Mr. Mabaudi, can you come in on this?
Discussing years
Oh, okay. Anyway, so what do you want me to record, Mr. Koto, that you are not in a position to produce any further document now?
At the moment, we are looking
Not in a position to produce any documents now, as previously intimated. Okay, and you are also not putting any more further questions today.
Yes.
So what are you doing? Very well, thank you. You were done with cross-examination, right? Yes. Okay, so it's now our turn.
Yes. I mean that before then, there are also some exhibit over 22, with the state indicated that it would prefer that they be authenticated in a way by the institutions.
Okay.
That's simply done.
That has since been done.
Yes.
State, you are happy with that? So you want to place before us the authenticated document? Okay. Registrar? Have you shown counsel for the... Thank you. So, well, you should be telling us
The fifth,
how are they authenticated?
well, fifth being authenticated by putting a stamp dated 9 September 2025.
What? So, why are you giving us 4? So this is what
That is exhibit number 20.
exhibit 20. Uh-huh.
Then the reserve bank authenticated by writing a letter.
Okay.
That is exhibit number 22.
So authentication of exhibit number 22. So well, that is placed on record. We now have authentication of exhibits 20 and 22. Yes, what is next? No, not yet. We haven't put questions to him. So, Mr. Mpofu, was it the decision of Blackdeck Private Limited to submit this bid in the name of Blackdeck Livestock and Poultry Farming?
isabhuzo yamakaita imini kana zvamakaronga kukampani yeblackdeck private limited kuti munge muchiendesa bid renyu rine zita rekuti blackdeck livestock and poultry farming?
hongu Blackdeck Private Limited yakaita a board resolution yekuti
Blackdeck Private Limited held a board resolution
yekusubmita bid riri muzita reBlackdeck Private Limited trading as Blackdeck Livestock and Poultry Farming or Colenso Farm.
They held a resolution in which they decided to submit the bid in the name Blackdeck Private Limited, also trading as Blackdeck Livestock and Poultry Farming, also trading as Kolonze Farm.
I don't understand the answer. You are saying a decision was made to submit this bid in the three names.
Mukuti mimi makaronga kuti munge muchendisa bid rine mazita matatu aya here.
ndingati hongu nekuti Black Deck Private Limited trading as Black Deck Livestock and Poultry Farming address yayo iri muno muHarare.
I can say yes because Black Deck Private Limited has its address here in Harare.
And then address ye Black Deck Private Limited trading as Colenso Farm address yayo iri ku Colenso ku farm kuMapinga.
Then Black Deck Private Limited, also trading as Colonso Farm, has its address in Mapinga.
You said Black Deck Private Limited has its address in Harare.
Yes.
Yes.
Black and what? Which is its address in Mapinga?
Black Deck Private Limited trading as Colenso Farm in address Black Deck Private Limited trading as Black Deck Livestock and Poultry Farming in address yayo muHarare, and then Black Deck Private Limited trading as Colenso Farm ndo address iri ku Brazil kuMapinga.
Black Deck Private Limited has its address in Harare.
I think you should take that answer again.
As Mufano-
You are saying Black Deck Private Limited has its address in Harare.
Pamintro yenyu muri kuti here company Black Deck Private Limited ine kero yayo kana address muno muHarare.
Yes, ine ma address 2 ine ku Harare pairi ku trader as Black Deck Livestock and Poultry Farming.
Yes, it has two addresses. It has an address in Harare whereby it is trading as Black Deck Private Limited.
It is trading it would trade as a
That's why I said just try and answer, maybe answer the question again so that we get the full gist of the answer.
Hanzi zokorora kupindura bvunzo iyoyo zvakare kuitira kuti dare rikwanise kunzwisisa mhinduro yenyu zvisere zvakasara.
zvakanaka. Yeah, Black Deck Private Limited ine ma address maviri.
Black Deck Private Limited has two addresses.
Muno muHarare inoshandisa address yeku Greendale by nezita rayo rekuti Black Deck Private Limited trading as Black Deck Livestock and Poultry Farming.
In Harare, it uses an address which is in Greendale, whereby it is going by the name Black Deck Private Limited, also trading as Black Deck Livestock and Poultry Farming.
And then your Black Deck Private Limited ine imwe address pakuBrazil painoita zvinhu zvayo zvefarming nezvelivestock ndo painoshandisa Black Deck Private Limited trading as Colenso Farm. Address yacho iri kuMapinga.
The same company, Black Deck Private Limited, also has another address at its farm, which is Colonso Farm, whereby it is using the name Black Deck Private Limited, also trading as Colonso Farm, and the place is in Mapinga.
Do you have a copy of the bid?
Mune here copy bid racho.
Aiwa ndina pana.
I don't have a copy.
Can you have a look at it? So the first page tells us who the bidder is.
And papeji rekutanga pari kuratidzwa kuti ndiani munhu aitsvaga bid.
Oh,
Yes.
When I'm looking at that page, who is the bidder?
Kana makatarisa gwaro iroro, bidder ndiani?
i-Black Deck Private Limited ne-trading name yayo yokwenza i-Black Deck Livestock and Poultry Farming.
The bidder is Black Deck Private Limited, using its trade name, Black Deck Livestock and Poultry Farming.
Yes, I'm not asking you to explain from your knowledge. I'm asking you to tell us what you are seeing there.
Zviri kunzika nedare hatisi kukubvunzai kuti mimi mutsanangure zvamunoziva pfungwa dzenyu. Muri kunzika tsanangurai mimi zvamuri kuona
Who is the bidder?
kuti ndiani wacho aisa bid.
I-Black Deck Private Limited nerimwe zita riripo rekwenzi Black Deck Livestock and Poultry Farming, saka kune mazita maviri.
There are two names, Black Deck Private Limited and Black Deck Livestock and Poultry Farming.
And that was intentional.
Saka izvi makazviita henyu nekuzviitisa.
In other words, it was what was intended, that the names appear there.
Ichokwadi.
Izvi makazviita kuti mazita iwayo ese anga angoripo pamagwaro enyu.
Ichokwadi.
Yes.
Any questions arising? Any questions arising, Mr. Any questions arising, State? Any questions arising? Thank you very much for giving evidence. You can now go back to the dock.
Maita henyu paumbo masunungura munokwanisa mupedza kero.
Maita basi.
Thank you.
Mr. Koto?
Yes, this marks the close of the fifth percent. Yes.
Thank you, Mr. Koto. Mr. Majuku? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Second accused.
Zita renyu rizere munonzani?
Mike Chimombe.
I'm Mike Chimombe, makasununguka kushandisa mutauro uyu.
Sure.
Swear in.
Most obliged, my lord. Ine Mike Chimombe munopika here pamberi pedare kuti umbo hwamuchapa mudare muchange chokari chega chisina manyepo. Kana muchipika saizvo simudzai ruoko rwenyu rwerudyi muti Mwari mubatsirei. Rwerudyi.
Mwari mubatsirei.
Witness one, my lord. Tsikisa henyu.
Mr. Stole?
Thank you, my lord. Now, business I will ask you that you speak up a little bit so that
Mufakazi kamuri kukurudzirwa negweta renyu kuti munge muchisimudzawo izwi renyu pamuchange muchitaura chinonzwika.
Mr. Chimombe, what do you do for a living?
Vachimombe, munoite zvinokuraramisai?
chokutanga ndiri politician,
I'm a politician,
ZANU-PF Central Committee member,
a ZANU-PF Central member,
Central Committee.
Central Committee member.
Uyeze ndiri sachigaro wokutsvaga mari kuMarsh West kuZANU-PF.
I am the chairperson of fundraising in Marsh West.
Uyeze ndiri founding president Economic Empowerment Group.
I'm the president of the Economic Empowerment Group.
Uyeze ndiri farmer.
I'm also a farmer.
I'm also a business.
Economic what?
Economic Empowerment Group,
Group.
EEG.
You're also
a farmer, my lord.
A business person.
I'm also a business person.
By business person, what exactly?
Muri kureveka muchiti munoita zvebusiness muri ani chaivo?
Yeah, ndinoti operate makambani akati wandei.
I operate several companies.
Now, do you understand why you are here to
Muri kunzwisisawo here kuti nemhaka yei muri muno mudare makamira ipapo?
Ongo.
Yes.
in your own words, what is your understanding why you are here?
Mumazwi enyu mimi manzwisisiro amunoitwawo kuti nemhaka yemuri muno angava ichii?
Semaziviro angu ekuti ndive muno mudare musi watasungwa ndeyekuti inini nafirst accused takabatsirana kuti tigadzire mapepa eBlackjack Private Limited.
From my understanding, when we were arrested, myself and the first accused, it was alleged that we connived together and prepared some papers for Blackjack.
That is your understanding.
Ndo manzwisisire nyaya enyu mimi.
Ongo nekuti izvoni takanyepera Ministry of Agriculture kuti kune kambani inonzi Blackjack Livestock and Poultry.
Yes, and also that it was alleged that we lied to the Ministry of Agriculture that there was a company called Blackjack Private Limited.
Are you aware of any term which was floated by the Minister of Agriculture?
Munozvivawo here mimi nezvetenda rakashambadzirwawo neMinistry of Agriculture mugore ra2021?
Ongo.
Yes.
Now, okay, you explain to the court your understanding of that term. What's it about?
Mungakwanisa here kuti tsanangurira dare manzwisisire enyu etenda iroro kuti raimbori riri maringe nei chaizvo?
Semaziviro andinoita tenda rakashambadzwa neMinistry of Agriculture ranga riri zvekuenderana nekusupply mbudzi.
From my understanding, the tender which was flighted by the Ministry of Agriculture has to do with the supplying of goats.
And you participate in that term yourself.
Imi pache zvenyu mune here chikamuwo chamakaita mutenda iroro?
Inini Samaki Chimombe handina zvandakaita nekuda kwekuti tenda iyi yanga isingaparticipate nemunhu isiri kambani.
As Mike Chimombe in my personal capacity, I did nothing because the tender was not supposed to be bid by someone who is not a company or someone in their personal capacity.
Asi imwe kambani ndiri director mukambani iyo inonzi Militech Enterprises payakadzwa nezvetenda iyi takazoziviswa kuti yakaparticipate mutenda iroro.
A company in which I am a director of, which is Militech Private Limited, also participated in the tender.
Yakatadza kubudirira handiziva hangu nechikodzero chakaita sekuti ibudirire mutenda racho.
But the company was not awarded the tender, and I do not know the reason why it was not awarded the tender.
Now, in Militech Private Limited,
Zita recompany yenyu chairo rinova chii? Militech kana kuti Militech Private Limited?
Militech Enterprises Private Limited.
It's called Militech Enterprises Private Limited.
apart from being a director, you hold any position in Militech? You're a shareholder, you're an employee?
Kusiya kwekuva director, mune here chimwe chinzvimbo kana chigaro chamuinacho mukambani yemilitech vanovawo kuvawo mumwe wemashareholders kana
handaingooni chigaro.
I used to have a position. Chaiva chiri chigaro ichocho
Operations manager.
as the operation manager,
Sorry, operations director.
as the operations director.
When you stop being operations director,
That question will be taken again.
when did you stop or when did you cease to be the operations director?
Makazomira rini kuva operations director wekumilitech?
Muna 2021 takunotanga zvinokukampena zvema-elections.
In 2021, when we commenced campaigns for the elections,
Now, I want to show you or to bring it to charge sheet. Drawing this attention to the
To the church.
saridza igwaro matsanangura mhosva yemukomedzero.
Yes, proceed.
Now, before I ask you questions, I want you to explain to the court if you have got any knowledge of the other companies which participated in the voting.
Hanzi tisati takubvunzai mibvunzo tikuda kuti mutsanangurire dare kana mune rumwe ruzivo rwemamwe makambani akavawo nechekuita nekupinda mutende.
Sorry.
Hanzi musati mabvunzwa mibvunzo negweta renyu vari kuda kuti mutsanangurire dare kana mune rumwe ruzivo rwemamwe makambani akapindawo mumatenda.
Sekunzwa kwandakazviita muno mudare tatanga trial yedu kwaive neblack deck private limited.
From what I heard in court when the trial was kicking off, I got to know that there was a company called Black Deck Private Limited.
Nezvikomborero farming.
There was also a company called Komborero Farming.
Then imwe yacho handichanyanyoirangarira.
I do not remember the other company's name.
Now, in respect of Black Deck, private limited, you have any relationship with Black Deck private limited?
Takananganaka neBlack Deck Private Limited. Imimiwo mune ukama here wamuinawo neBlack Deck Private Limited?
Kwete.
No.
More specific, are you a director of Black Deck private limited?
Hanzi nyatsaikawo pajekesa kuti imimiwo muri mumwe here wemadirector ekuBlack Deck Private Limited.
Handitoiziva. I'm not a director. I'm not an employee. Handina chandinacho, handina chigaro chandinacho kuBlack Deck.
I am unknown to Black Deck Private Limited. I'm not a director or an employee, and I do not hold any position.
Or a shareholder.
I'm also not a shareholder.
What about an entity called by the name Black Deck Livestock and Poultry Farming? You know that entity?
Ko imwe company inonzi Black Deck Livestock and Poultry Farming munoziva nezvayo here?
Cheso chinokuita nekunzi Black Deck angave mazita ripi neripi handinacho ruzivo naro.
I do not have any knowledge pertaining anything by the name Black Deck. And I do not have anything to do with it.
Now, the state alleges that you, second this person, misrepresented to the ministry. Insofar as in your tender document, that Black Deck Livestock and Poultry Farming was a registered company in Zimbabwe.
vamutuchisi vari kutyika imimi kamusungwa makanonyepera ministry yeagriculture kuti kambani yeblack deck livestock and poultry farming yaiva kambani ine mapepa anozikamwa pamutemo muno muzimbabwe. musati mapindura manzwisisa here mubvunzo. Yes.
And that will represent or misrepresent that Black Deck Livestock and Poultry Farming has a valid similar tax clearance certificate and a valid NASA compliance certificate.
mukanotika imimi iyoyo kambani yeblack deck livestock and poultry farming ine magwaro akakwana ekubhadhara mitero yekuzimura pamwe chete nemagwaro ekunasa ekutevedzera zvese zvinodiwa mumakambani.
handifunge sekudaro.
I do not believe so.
ndichaedza kuti nditsanangure ipapo.
I will explain myself.
inisa
Now, I have a good precedent.
mubvunzo wakusati wabvunzwa
So,
kungoteereresa ivi.
these are the questions. Did you yourself like Chimombe in your personal capacity ever go to the Ministry of Agriculture?
imimi musungwa makazvimirira pauzima hwenyu makamboenda here kuministry of agriculture
Alleging or representing that Black Deck Livestock and Poultry Farming is a registered company.
muchimirira kaimimi kuti black deck livestock and poultry farming ikambani ine mapepa akanyoreswa munyika zvepamutemo.
kwete handina kubvira ndakamboenda kuministry.
No, I have never went to the ministry.
So the poultry farming has a valid similar tax certificate.
kuzi ikambani yatisingatozivawo kana kuti inoperate.
I have no knowledge of the company.
NASA compliance certificate. Did you valid NASA compliance certificate?
Imimi muchinotsanangura kuti company iyoyo yeblack deck livestock and poultry don't know about that document.
First and first person. And agree to go to the ministry.
imimi musungwa pamwe chete nemumwe wenyu musungwa wekutanga makambogara pasi here mose muchironga kuti muende kuministry of agriculture munge muchinotaura kakuti kambani yeblack deck livestock.
I want you to go to exhibit number 1.
Not muende paexhibit 1.
More than drawing the witness attention to the similar tax credit certificate.
Yes, similar text.
Now you're on that document.
Mavapo pagwara.
ongo
Yes.
I want you to tell the court whether you played any role in the preparation of that document.
Toda kuti kamuudze dare kuti here pane chikamuwo here chamakaitawo pakugadzirwa kwegwaro iroro imimi vacho.
gwaro rakabata iri rakanzi black deck private limited handina chokuita neblack deck private limited kutotanga kutoriona muno mukoti semabatiro andakaita izvozvo.
The document I'm holding reads Black Deck Private Limited. I do not have anything to do with Black Deck Private Limited. It is my first time to have sight of the document here in court.
whoever is alleged by elected private limited or elected left to the court fund to prepare that document.
kuti panyatsojeka ka imimi wacho makambotsvagwawo here nevekublack deck private limited kana vekublack deck livestock and poultry farming kuti gwaro iroro ringe richikwanisa kugadzira
kwete
no
What about the respect of the first accused? Did he ever engage you for purposes of preparing that document?
ko musungo wekutanga uyu akambokutsvaga here kuti munge muchikwanisa kugadzira gwaro iri
inini samai Chimombe namoses Mpofu hatina kana musi 1 watombogara pasi kuti tigadzire any documents
We've never said-
black deck.
are together with the first accused person to prepare any document.
Now, if you go to exhibit number 2,
And I exhibit it too.
2 pages from that. There should be a document written or described as NASA, National Security, Social Security Authority Compliance Certificate. Are you there?
Ungu.
Yes.
Now, just confirm to the court whether you had any role in the preparation of that.
chiudzai kadare kuti imimiwo pagwaro ramakabata iro rakanzi National Social Security Authority mune here chikamuwo chamakaita imimi mukugadzirwa kwayo.
sezvanambotaura vekutanga kuti gwaro randakabata iri ndiri kutotanga kuriona wapo izvozvo handina chakatakaita handina chandinozivo naro.
As I had highlighted earlier on, I have no knowledge of this document and I have nothing to do with it. It is my first time to see it in court.
Oh, thank you. Now, Chimombe, you were in court when the state made the evidence for the that is what was correct.
Mai vakamunomudare vamuchuchisi pavaiwana umbowo kubva kuvafakazi vavo ndizvo here?
Ungu.
Yes.
And you were also in attendance when Mr. Mpofu, the first accused, testified.
Mai vavo zvakare munomudare zvakare musungo wekutanga vaMpofu pavaipa umbowo hwavo.
Ungu.
Yes.
Now, my question to you is, from your knowledge and the evidence which was laid in this court, who submitted the bid document to the Minister of Agriculture and Fisheries?
Kubva kuruzivo rwenyu imimiwo neumbowo hwakapiwa munomudare ndiani akaendesa bid kuMinistry of Agriculture?
Gwaro reblack deck kana private limited kana ndichiri kurangarira rokunzi rakaendeswa natichaona tichidembo oro hazvinei kabisira.
If I remember very well, the tender document for Black Deck Private Limited was submitted to the Ministry of Agriculture by one Tishaona Chidembo or and Matiwa
Hazvinei kabisira.
and Ajane Kabisira. Mati, Taura Joseph.
hachasorangarira kuti pavari 20 yani.
I do not remember who actually submitted the document between the two.
But did you have any role in the submission of that bid document to the Minister of Agriculture?
Imimo mune chikamu chenyu here chamakaitawo pakuendeswa kwedocument iroro kuMinistry of Agriculture?
Kwete.
No.
If you can just let me know. Now, Mr. Chimombe, you were here when Mr. Mpofu testified on behalf of the state. You were attending the court.
Mai vamunomudare vanhindirwa pavakamira semufakazi wavamuchuchisi.
Ungu.
Yes.
Now that Mr. Mindoro, Mr. Alfred Mindoro, if I am correct, he said you yourself, Mr. Chimombe, told Mr. Mindoro when you had seen the tender being advertised in the newspaper, saying you called. Is that true?
Iye kamfakaziye vanhendurwa vakati imimi vachimombe makavafonera pamakaona kushambadzirwa kwetenda magwaro.
kwete
No.
Did he say Mr. Chimombe, the second accused? Or he said the first? Who did he speak, mention?
To have mentioned that I think the first accused, the second accused, but they called it, might be wrong.
What do you recall, State? What do you recall?
About the first encounter, what I recall is that Mr. Ndu was indicated that they came together when after the attack, but he collected the first accused.
So he was conversing with the first, he was having telephone contact with the first accused person.
After the first encounter, after
Yes. Did he ever say that he had he had a telephone call with the second,
no,
with the first, yeah? Yeah, but maybe out of, we note that you are putting the question against that background, but just for the avoidance of doubt, so that in case we don't quite remember, we will allow the witness to answer, but we will then consider it based on the correct position on the record. But we will allow the question so that in case our recollection is failing. Yes.
Did you ever telephone Mr. Alfred regarding the video both persons in television?
Makambofonerawo here vanhendurwa imimi maringe nechirongwa chembudzi changa chashambadzirwa nehurumende?
kwete
No.
Now, Mr. Mngulwa told the court that she attended the meetings in his presence.
Vanhendurwa vakaudza dare kuti imimiwo mune misangano yamaendawo muinavo.
To your knowledge, did you ever attend meetings when Mr. Mngulwa was present?
Imimiwo kubva kuruzivo rwenyu mune here misangano yamakamboendawo yanga ine vanhendurwa?
chokutanga rege nditaura ndichiti Mr. Mundura meeting avari kutaura yekutanga kuti ndakaenda navampofu asi chokwadi.
Firstly, what Mr. Nendurwa said about me attending the first meeting with Mr. Chimombe, Mr. Mpofu, the first accused, is not true.
Andina
Nemhaka yemukudaro.
sei ndichidaro handina kuona kana uchiti waenda kuministry pane logbook or pane maminutes anonyorwa kunzi pane vanhu vaatenda meeting dananingi kunze kwemeeting one chete yandinoziva ine maminutes ari muno mudare ndo meeting yandinoziva kuti yakatakaatenda naMr. Mpofu.
Kwanisa kuzokorora menzwa yenyu tinachekutanga.
Okay, that is only Mr. Mundura meeting yekutanga yavanotaura ndinoiramba handina kubvira ndakasangana naMr. Mundura before awarding of contract or signing of my contracts. Meeting one
did not meet up with Mr. Ndurwa before the signing or the awarding of the contract.
meeting andinorangarira ndoziva kuti kana uchienda kugovernment offices panonyorwa logbook pane zvinhu zvese zvinominetwa. Mr. Mundura kana dare rino harina kukwanisa kuburitsa maminutes emeeting yacho vanotiti takaita, saka ndinoona meeting yekutanga handina kubvira ndakasangana naMr. Mundura.
In that first meeting that Mr. Nendurwa is alleging that I attended, he did not present the minutes of the said meeting to the court.
And handina kubvira ndakavaona.
I never saw him.
Ndakasangana naMr. Mundura kune only one meeting
I only met Mr. Nundwa in only one meeting.
inove ine maminutes ine exhibit iri muno mukati medare
Whose minutes were presented in court.
Now, I want you to have a look at exhibits 15,
Exhibit 15.
which is the minutes of the provincial scheme.
Exhibit 15.
There's also 18/27/36.
iro
It's exhibit.
Number 15. I don't know.
Yes, it is.
Now, you have said you attended one meeting which is limited.
Mantinini makangoenda kumeeting imwe chete nemaminutes ayo kana ine zvakataurwa zvacho zviri muno mudare.
omwe
Yes.
Now, would that be the meeting that you are referring to is exhibit 15?
Ndiyo here meeting iri kunzi exhibit 15.
omwe
Yes.
Now, I just want you to go over this to the next page. Now, there are three things there. I would want you to focus on the one from 16 September 2022.
Pane zvidhindo zvitatuka zviri papo motarisa yakanyorwa kuti 16 September 2022.
Are you there?
Asvika.
Now, in your recollection, when was this meeting held?
Mukuziva kwenyu mimi musangano wakaitwa rini?
sekuziva kwangu musangano uyu unofanira kuvaitwa muna july yasingakanganisi
From my understanding, the meeting was held in July.
july
Mistake.
oro
No, Focus. Kana mukatsanangura minzwa yenyu mombotisiya tuturikira. Muzotaura kana ndapedza.
Now, in that meeting, you went there in what capacity at school?
Mumusangano iwoyo imimi makaenda muri sani ikoko.
ndichatirondedzerei mbichani
I will explain a bit.
musangano uyu first accuse ishamwari yangu tinotamba tese saka akandiinvite akati shamwari uya da kuti timboenda kumeeting uku sezvo ndiri member yeeeg
The first accused person is my friend, and he invited me to attend the meeting as a member of EEG.
tinonzwirara tiri pamwe chete kuti programu yapresident chikutadzisa kuti ichazofamba chii bcause panenge vasinganyasowiriranawo nevekuministry
He invited me over so that we can go and get to know of what was happening or what was the gist of contention between the first accused and the ministry.
saka tasvika ikoko meeting yaifanira kutanga na 10 o'clock meeting hainozoita sokudaro kune vanhu vanga vakamirirwawo kuti meeting itange
When we got there, the meeting was supposed to be starting at 10 o'clock because there were guests which were supposed to arrive.
Now, what was your goal in that meeting, if any?
Imimi chikamu chenyu mumusangano iwoyo chava chei kana manga muinazvo?
ndanga sina chirova ndaita asi sekuti ndanga ndashedzwawo neshamwari yangu kuti nditeerewo ndinzwewo kuti vari kutaura kuti chii saka mumeeting umu handina roo yakandaita handina chinhu chakandataura sezvo ndakaona kuti vaparties vaitaura vainzwanana
I did not play any role in the meeting because I realized that the parties were understanding each other.
Did you say anything in that that meeting?
pane zvamakataurawo mumusangano.
handina kana chinhu wani chakandataura mumeeting.
I did not say anything in the meeting.
Now, if you go back to the first page of those minutes, it says in attendance, you see that part, top part,
Point.
attendance.
Point.
Point number 5, it says Mike Chimombe left.
Pari kunzika pagwaro iri pakanyorwa vanhu vanga varimo musangano. Pechi 5 pacho pakanyorwa kuti Mike Chimombe pobva panzi black tag.
Now my question is, did you introduce yourself as Mike Chimombe black tag in that meeting?
Mubvunzo wakutika imimiwo mumeeting musangano makanozvizivisa here kune vanhu vaivemo kuti muri Mike Chimombe wekublack tag.
ndikutoshamisika kutoona gwaro rakanzi Mike Chimombe black tag.
I'm surprised to see the document written Mike Chimombe black tag.
sekuti handina kumvura ndakazointrodusa mumeeting saMike Chimombe ndinobva kublack tag.
I never introduced myself as Mike Chimombe, who was representing Black Jack.
asi sekuziva kwangu kukurusa ndichitopinda mumeeting vanhu vese vakatozoshamisa kuti nhasi tatsikwa nemashefu ekumusangano kwakanaka.
From my recollection, the people who were in the meeting were surprised to see me in attendance.
ndakazointrodusawo samember yeEEG.
I introduced myself as a member of EEG,
ndakatovapa mabusiness cards.
and I also supplied them with my business cards.
Okay, my final question on that minute, or those minutes, were they circulated to you before they were approved by the minister? And I went to you saw me, you did them, and see whether they were correct or not.
Zvakataurwa musangano izvi zviri mumagwaro izvi makambozvipiwawo here imimi zvisatiwo zvaaprovwa nekuministry kuti munge muchizvionawo?
handina kuzvipiwa. dai takazvipiwa takaita proof reading taitovagadzirisa pavakati Mike Chimombe black tag.
The minutes were never presented to us. If they were presented to me, I would have corrected them.
Now, Mr.
Okay, Council, I think I understand there's a technical issue to be attended to. We'll take an adjournment until the problem is attended to. Court adjourns.